Chris Bruce here, real estate investor, nationwide coach, as well as the founder and best-selling author of Escaping the REI Newbie Zone book and podcast. Now, people ask me all the time, Chris, how can I have a successful real estate investing business? Focus more on growing yourself and developing yourself than you do the business. Now, yes, you do need to focus on systems, probably hiring a mentor or getting a training course and learning the different strategies and things. But it doesn't matter if you have all of that and you don't have the right mindset. Because what it's going to take for you to be successful with running a business versus actually working a 9 to 5 is totally different. You have to be willing to get in the ring and get beat up sometimes. Things are not going to always go your way. You're going to get let down. You're going to get a lot of no's. But if you focus more on developing your mindset, developing that dedication of getting through the ups and downs of the business, that's what's going to really help you be successful. So focus on what things you can do to grow yourself. And the more you grow yourself, the more you become this bigger person, the more successful you